in our previous video, we completed our assembly creation. So assembly is here. Now we are going to create the corridor. So I'm telling to you how do we create the corridor. First we have to close it. No need to here. So we come to here. We see our alignment how is looking like, and after that corridor how do it will look. So where we find the corridor tools, just you come here, see the road section here, and just click here and come to corridor, then give to corridor name railway track. I'm giving to name number 1. Okay, nothing you have to change, nothing here. You have to change the assembly railway tracking. Already we completed it. Target surface, do you remember we assigned the easy surface means existing surface, and here we have to assign the parameters. So okay, now it's asking some of the parameters. So we are not going to much more changing here in this target surface area. Here they see, you see the here in the see the block is the here all you can see. Like override, we are not going to override, or we are not going to change the frequency, nothing we are going to change here. So just we have to apply here now and rebuild the corridor is building. Okay, close it. We solve this later these things. Sorry, first we have to click here, and now we have to close it. You see now around the both sides our alignment, you can see it's the corridor. See, I will explain much more in the our project, next project, when we will start the project, a big project. Now just we click here and right click here, and you can choose from here the corridor surface. I'm going to choose from here because I like it much from here. This side because of my habit. Corridor surface. It's asking surface, just click here. So this surface already we assigned here, or hanging he is asking, then we have to align the top link. Second thing we have to change here, the surface code, already we code assigned. You choose here datum is always the good, otherwise these things we have daylight other things change our code links, and click in plus and check out here, click here, okay here. Now you see what happened, another something is changing. So this is the corridor means going to cutting or filling up to where. One surface is the existing surface, existing ground level is here, and another one surface is we have to given as by our this daylight links assembly up to from here this link. So that is will be proposed ground level, and this is the existing ground level. So our corridor is the now completed. If anything executions you want to ask, you can comment me and practice with me. We will going to start very soon a very big project like a irrigation canal project, pipeline projects, or dam projects like this. We have big project will be do complete here, that start to end. So please subscribe, comment.